The VN Pro 2 is a 60% mechanical keyboard designed for minimalists who want maximum functionality. Its compact size saves valuable desk space and makes it incredibly portable, easily slipping into a backpack for work, home, or travel. This keyboard boasts a clever layout that minimizes hand movement while still providing access to all the essential keys. The magic is in the Magic FN key, located on the caps lock button, which allows quick access to the F1, F12 keys, a real boon for gamers. The double-shot PBD keycaps feel great under your fingers and promise long-lasting durability, resisting shine and wear. It offers both wired USB and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity, allowing you to connect up to 4 devices and seamlessly switch between them. The 1,900 mAh battery provides decent wireless usage time. One of the standout features is the fully programmable keys, allowing you to customize the layout and create macros using the revamped OBinskit Starter software. This software makes personalization simple and intuitive. The true RGB backlighting adds a touch of personality and can be customized to match your setup. The Gateron Red switches provide a smooth, linear typing experience, perfect for gaming and fast typing. While the 60% layout takes some getting used to, especially with the integrated arrow keys within the main typing area, the VN Pro 2 offers a compelling combination of portability, performance, and customization. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact and powerful mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.